Fiona Farrell Jolly Phonics program. Teaching letters in this way, students are able to begin to form words very quickly. After the first 6 letters, students can make words in the at, an, it, ip, ap and in families. Group 1 is SATIPN, Group 2 is CKEHR, Group 3 is MDGO. 4 is LFBQU, 5 is JZW, and 6 is VYX. Starting with Group 1, S, snake, A, apple, T, toilet, I, in, P, puff, N, Nelly. Group 2, C, cookie, K, kite, E, elbow, H, happy, R, red. Group 3, M, mummy, D, daddy, G, grow, O, on, L, lucky, F, funny, B, ball, Q, quiet, U, up, J, Group 5, J, jolly, Z, zoo, W, water. Group 6, V, very, Y, yes, X, X-ray. Thank you.